choreographer, and his illustrious son, Sri Satyajit. We are Gopinath Gaye and Bagha Bain. We have been twice blessed by the Bhuter Raja, or Emperor of the Spirits. So when we sing and dance, all of you can eyes and profound amazement. We come a long way from the land of Shundi to tell you how happy we are today to be with all of you in Halifax. Aha ki anondo akashe batashe.
Aha ki anondo akashe batashe. Aha ki anondo akashe batashe. Aha ki anondo akashe batashe. শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে কত শোভা চারিপাশে শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে কত শোভা চারিপাশে আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে মোদের বড়ই সুখের দিন আজকে মোদের বড়ই সুখের দিন আজ ঘরের বাঁধন ছেড়ে মোরা হয়েছি স্বাধীন আজ ঘরের বাঁধন ছেড়ে মোরা হয়েছি স্বাধীন আহা হয়েছি স্বাধীন ফিরে আসে আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে সাথে সাথে পাখি ডাকে কত শোভা চারিপাশে আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে
Okay. তোমরা একটু স্টেজে এসো অর্পিতা তুমি একটু স্টেজে এসো প্লিজ আমি এর আগেও একবার বলেছি এখনো বলবো with a great deal of conviction more conviction this time যে এদের দেখে আমরা নিশ্চিন্ত হতে পারি আমাদের কালচার আমাদের heritage is in such good hands now I want to tell Moon that her choreography has been excellent and I want to give congratulations to the dancers, to the teacher, to the parents because a performance stage ante onek kaj korte hoy. There is the choreography, there is the learning, there is the teaching, there is the patience and there is the work that the parents have to do. It deserves a round of applause. Hello? It deserves a round of applause. Appreciation. And we are going to do that now. I'm going to ask Kobita Dostidar to come up on the stage, speak a few words, and give some tokens of appreciation to the children. We are proud of you all.
Hi, are we all having fun? If you are, clap your hands. What a performance for the kids. And who's behind all this? You always heard there's a moon that gives you moonlight. But here we have the moon ray, who spreads her ray all over. So when she was sick, she trained them. So let's give a hand to Moon again. I would like to introduce Dr. Swaminathan. He's a priest, and we would appreciate if he would give the gifts to the kids. We have something for the kids, just to say how happy we are. This is for Preeta. So I would like to call Moon on the stage. Okay, thank you Moon, Dr. Swaminathan and all of you, and have a good evening. And for all of you that have paid your subscription, well and good. Otherwise, maybe you can pay. Please pay after the program, okay?